Christmas, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. It's so good to be here for family fun at Waimea Falls. I hope you're all having a good time. We want to start today with a little puppet show. This is a wonderful story that teaches us how to love our earth and one another. So let's listen and watch.
Ela e kala I ka hikina I ka moana ho honu Pi ka lewa nu I ka hikina e a kala Ela e kala I ka hikina I ka moana ho honu I ka lewa nu I ka hikina e a kala Ela e kala I ka hikina I ka moana ho honu I ka lewa nu I ka hikina e a kala
Thank you, Liko. You do so well. It's always a good idea to begin the day and remember all the wonderful knowledge that the sun, the earth, the ocean, and the wind can teach us.
My kumu at school really helps us to learn this so well. I like school so much. My little sister Pua, though, seems to dislike school and doesn't study hard. I think that she's just too stupid.
Now, Liko, let's not be so harsh and judge so quickly. Many times there are hidden reasons why people don't like to study. Why don't you find her and ask her to come see me?
Okay, Auntie. I tried to find her and bring her back.
Tell her that I want to see her latest ballet moves. She seems to love to dance ballet. Oh my, what a day I've been having with this shopping. I was trying to find something beautiful, gold bracelets and diamond earrings. I need to maintain my beauty. After all, I'm a true fashionista. I did see some disposable jewelry. You just wear it once and then you throw it away. That way, no one sees you wearing the same things over and over. That's very important for someone as sophisticated as me.
Roar! Hi, Auntie Ohia. I've been training cats all day and I'm really tired and thirsty.
There's some water left in my bottle. Just finish it off and throw it in the wastebasket.
Throw it away? This is a perfectly good bottle. You should use it several times, even before you recycle it.
Recycle? I'm on vacation and have no time for that. Anyway, let's change the subject. What are you teaching the cats?
I'm showing them how to use their litter boxes correctly. Some cats just want to poop anywhere. Their poop gets into the streams and washes into the oceans, and then the animals get sick and throw up and...
Oh, Leo, don't be so gross. At least they do their poop where I don't see it. That's all that matters.
What? You want to let everything get sick and die?
Marlo, what's wrong?
It seems like so many of my friends are getting sick. The ocean water is getting poisoned by the snakes and other animals that are pooping into the stream. Some of my friends learned in school that the poop from the cats get all of the seals sick.
Not all of the cats are pooping into the stream. I've been potty training them.
I had no idea. What a waste. How can I ever get a new seal coat?
I don't want to be a coat.
Lady Gigi, that's enough. That's okay, Malo. We won't let Lady Gigi make you into a coat. You will have to use the gifts of the earth the right way. There has to be a balance with nature.
You must be talking about caring for the earth. I'm learning about that at school.
I thought you hated school. I thought you only thought about ballet.
I didn't tell you, but I've joined the halal. I was afraid you'd laugh at me, but now I have confidence. In hula school, we learn about the balance of everything. It's so interesting. By the way, learning hula helps me be a better ballet dancer. If you watch me swim, you can get new ideas for dance moves.
If I and the other caps poop in our litter boxes, Malo, you'll be able to swim for a long time to come.
You mean you can be beautiful like me and still maintain balance with the earth?
Of course. Lahala makes really nice jewelry, but it doesn't harm the earth. I'm making Lahala bracelets for my family for Christmas.
So you see, Lady Gigi, you can be beautiful and friendly with the earth at the same time. That is what Kiakua asks of us. So we can use plants for jewelry. We can learn about dance by studying both hula and ballet.
And by watching Malu.
My. It all makes so much sense. We have to be careful because it is truly a small world. It's a small world and we are all one. Humans, plants, and animals. It's a wonderful place that we need to protect.
Liko and I just learned a song about this. Let's sing it all together.
It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fears. There's so much that we share.